Hello students, welcome to all in another video of English grammar classes of class 6. In this video we are going to study the chapter 12 which is taken from your English grammar book, and the name of the chapter is simple tenses. Okay students, so let's start. Listen carefully and study about tenses. Okay students. Students, in first number video of tense, we already have completed simple present tense, and you know there are three simple tenses. Okay, first is simple present, second is simple past, and third number is simple future. And we have completed simple present tense, so we have to focus on second number simple tense, and second number is simple past. Okay students, first of all we will know about this. What is the recognition of simple past tense? What is the recognition of simple past tense? Students, you know at the last of the verb of a sentence comes ya, e, a, or ta, tha, ti, thi, te, the, etc. is called the recognition of simple past tense. Students, the structure of this tense is, first of all, first number structure, subject plus verb to plus object, and second number subject plus did plus not plus V1 plus object, third number did plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. Okay students, so according to this we have to make the sentences. Students, in simple past tense the verb to is very necessary, and you have to learn the verb forms. It is very necessary to make the sentence according to tenses. Okay students, just we can understand with example. What is the structure of affirmative sentence? First number sentence is called affirmative, second is called negative, and third number interrogative. And we can also make the four number structure interrogative, negative, and also we can make WS sentence and WS negative. Okay, we can make 6 types of sentences on the basis of the any tenses. Okay students, but we have to especially focus on 3 sentences. First number subject plus verb to plus object. Look here, suppose that you have to write I here saw her. Okay, I saw her. Look at this sentence. I subject that is given in a structure, and saw is a verb to of see. See means dekhna, and here her is object. You can also change this sentence into according to second number structure, negative sentence. I subject, and after this you have to write did. I did, and after this not is given. I did not. Okay, and what you have to write just now? Verb 1. So what is the verb 1 of saw? To see. So I did not see, and object is her. Okay students, so according to a structure you can change the sentence into negative, interrogative, and you can also write on the basis of the affirmative structure. Okay students, you can understand with the another example. Students, he wrote a letter. Okay, he wrote a letter. Look in this sentence, wrote is a verb to, so you can also change this sentence into negative according to second number structure. He did not write a letter, and you can also change this sentence into interrogative. First of all you have to write did according to third number, to did. Okay, after did you have to write subject. What is subject? He. So did he, and after this you have to write verb 1. What is the verb 1 of wrote? To write. Did he write, and object would be a letter, and did he write a letter at last, question mark. Okay students, so according to simple tenses, you can also change the sentence into negative, interrogative. You can also write the sentence according to assertive sentence, okay, affirmative sentence. In your grammar book, already the question was given only according to first number structure, subject plus verb to plus object. So students, verb to is very necessary, so learn the many verb forms, because without verb forms you can't write the sentence, you can't change the sentence into another structure. Okay students, third number, simple future tense. Okay students, what is the recognition of simple future tense? So at the last of the verb of a sentence comes ga, ge, gi. It is called the recognition of simple future tense. Students, you can also write the structure. First number structure is called affirmative sentence, that is subject plus shall oblique will plus verb 1 plus object, and negative sentence subject plus shall will plus not plus v1 plus object, and third number interrogative sentence shall will, after that subject plus verb 1 plus object plus question mark. According to this you can also make the sentence. Just you can see the example. Affirmative according I, and according to a structure, first number I have written I, and after that shall will. Students, there are two options given. Already you know what is the use of shall. Only shall is used for I and we. Rest parts, rest for rest nouns, there will be used will. Okay, so only shall is used for I and we. So I shall go, subject shall, and after that you can write verb 1, I shall go. If you want to write this sentence according to object, so I shall go to Patna, I shall go to a school. You can also change this sentence into negative. They say according to second number structure, subject plus shall will plus not. So I shall not go. Okay, I shall not go. Okay, you can also change this sentence into interrogative. So first of all, you have to come out the word shall. Shall I go? At last question mark. Just according to second number, he will sing a song. He will sing a song, and he, she, it, and rest part you. It is used for the only you, will. Okay, he will sing a song. So he is subject here, will is auxiliary verb, verb 1 is sing, a song is object. You can also change the sentence into negative, and he will not sing a song. You can also change this sentence into interrogative. Will he sing a song? At last question mark. So students, in chapter number 12, only you have to study about simple tenses. Already it is clear that there are three simple tenses: simple present, simple past, and simple future. Already we have completed about simple present tense in first number video of tense. Okay, it's a second number video part of tense. Okay, so in this video we have covered simple past tense and simple future tense. On this basis you can make the exercise of this chapter 12. Okay student, thank you everyone. We will meet again in next video. Thank you.